Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the topic operators in Python. Operator is one of the tokens. So here in this video, I'm going to discuss about the operators in Python. So without wasting your and my time, let's start with this new topic. Here we go with this topic. Let me start this. So the topic is what? Operators in Python. So first, let's start with the definition. An operator is a symbol which performs a particular operation. Okay, this is the simple definition. And what is an operator? It's a symbol which performs a particular operation. Okay, Python has following operators. The first is arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, identity operators, and membership operators. These 6 types of operators Python has. So I will discuss one by one. So in this video, I will discuss up to logical operators only. Only 4 operators I will discuss in detail. Okay. So let's start with the first operator, that is arithmetic operators. Definition you can see on the screen. The operators which perform arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and few more are there. Okay. So these are called arithmetic operators, and the operators which are used for this operation, these operations are called arithmetic operators. So here are the operators, arithmetic operators. Plus, it is used for addition, minus for subtraction, star this symbol. This symbol is also called asterisk for multiplication. This is for division. One by one, I will discuss about everything. And this modulus operator, and this operator also exponent operator, I will tell you. And this is floor division. Okay. So this plus operator is here to perform addition. You know very well about this. Sorry for disturbance. Okay. This plus operator is here to perform the addition operation. So listen, I'm coming back to the definition of operator. As I told, an operator is a symbol which performs a particular operation. See, this plus is a symbol. It's an operator. An operator is a symbol which performs a particular operation. Means which operation is performed by this symbol? It performs addition. So an operator is a symbol which performs a particular operation is called operator. Sorry, an operator is a symbol which performs a particular operation. Okay. Now here a plus is operator, is a symbol which performs a particular operation. And here a and b on which the operation is performed. The variables or constants on which the operation is performed are called operands. Please remember this word, are called operands. Remember this word I will use afterwards in this operator topic. I will use this word again and again. So on which the operation is performed are called operands. Okay, यहाँ पे a और b पे addition operation perform हो रहा है, यहाँ पे a और b को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Operands बोलेंगे. So it is about definition of operator. Okay, now coming back to arithmetic operators. Here plus, it is used for addition, very well. This minus symbol is used for subtraction. This also very well. Here multiplication, in most of the programming languages, for multiplication, this symbol is not used. Please do not use while you're writing the program of Python. For the multiplication, please do not use this symbol. That's why I'm telling you, this symbol is used for multiplication. Don't use cross symbol. That's why I'm telling this little small छोटी बातें तुम लोग बता रहा हूँ. Now this symbol here, division. Let me tell you one special thing with this. This symbol is for division, and please do not write like this as you write in the maths. Please do not write like this. This is incorrect while you're writing the program. And if you want to do division, just write like this. This operator is there for that, for division. Okay, and please remember, it always returns float value, fractional value. हमेशा fractional value ही return करेगा. Means if you writing 5/2, it will return 2.5. It will never return integer value. Always it returns fractional value. I will show it to the ideally also. Okay, I will come to this point. Now modulus operator. This modulus operator returns remainder. Means 5 modulus 2 will be 1. Means if you divide 5/2, the remainder will be what? 1. So this 1 is returned by this operator. This operator returns remainder. This operator is called modulus operator. Okay. Now, one very important and new operator I can see here in the Python, this exponent operator means what? If you're writing 2 and 2 stars and then writing 3, it is equivalent to 2 to the power 3. It is equivalent to 2 to the power 3. So if you want to write something x to the power y, instead of using math.power function, you can use this operator also. Okay, means 2 to the power 3. If you want to write x to the power y, how it can be written? X star star then y. It is equivalent to what? X to the power y. I hope the things are clear. So this is one of the operator. Now this is the last operator, floor division. Floor division means what? If you're writing 5 by 2, as I told, 5 by 2, this operator, I'm talking about this operator. If you type 5 by 2, you'll get what? 2.5. This operator always returns a fractional value, float type of value. Okay. But if you want only 2, if you want only integral value, like sometimes it is also required. So in that case, you can use this floor division operator, and 5 by 2 will be what? 2. It will return, if only it will return integral part of the result. It will return the integral part of the quotient only. 5 by 2 will be 2.5, but it will return only 2. The result of 5 by 2 will be what? 2. Okay. This I'm going to show you through ideally also. Let's see that through ideally. Okay. So here I have opened this ideally. You can see I'm making it on full screen. Let me show you. And here I'm writing C a 5 by, or I'm writing 2 and then double stars and then 3. 2 to the power 3 will be what? 2 to the power 3 will be what? 8. So if you write like this and press enter key, you will get the 2 to the power 3. And if you're writing, I'm talking about this division symbol, 5 by 2. If you're typing 5 by 2, 2.5. And if you're writing 5 and floor division 2, you'll get 2 only. Okay, so these are the new things which I wanted to tell you through ideally. So it's all about arithmetic operators. I hope the things are clear. If any doubt, you can ask through comment section. Okay. Now next operator is what? Relational operators. Okay. Relational operators compare the value of two operands and return either true or false. Look at the true and false, the word true and false. T is in uppercase. F is also in uppercase. Just take care of all this. Okay. So let me show you what are the relational operators in Python. Operator, operation. Greater than, very well, less than or equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Okay, these are the relational operators which we have in Python. Same in every programming language, we have only these. So let me tell you, it compares the value of two operands and returns either true or false. Consider here a equal to 5, b equal to 2, and if you're comparing, if a is greater than b, so it will check whether a is greater than b or not. If a is greater than b, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So true, T capital. So here the value of a is what? 5. The value of b is what? 2. So it will return true here. Okay. Now same thing, if you are making it 12, then it will return what? False. Okay, so like this, greater than or equal to, and if you are using this symbol greater than or equal to, take care of this. If you're writing a greater than or equal to, a equal to 5, b equal to 2, so the result of this will be what? Again, here I'm writing a is greater than or equal to b if you're writing, and now the result of this a is less than b. This condition is false. Okay, now consider it is 15. A equal to 15, b equal to 12. Sorry. Now you can see the value of a is greater than b. So the result of this will be true. And consider this is also 12. Both are 12 now. Then also you can see it is not greater, but it is equal to. So it will return what? Again, it will return true if both are equal. So it returns true if whether the first operand is greater than or equal to, then it will return true, otherwise false. Okay. Same with the less than or equal to also. Now equal to operator. Now see, if a equal to 12 and b also 12, if you're comparing a equal to b, the result will be true because both are equal. Okay, and consider it is 18. So now it will return what? False. I hope the things are clear. You know very well about this. Now, not equal to. Consider here we are writing instead of a equal to b, we are writing a not equal to b. The value of a is 12, the value of b is 18. And if you're writing a not equal to b, it's true. So the result of this will be what? True, because a is not equal to b. And consider both are 18, 18. Consider both are what? 18, 18. In that case, it will return false because a not equal to b. They are equal, and we are saying that a not equal to b. So the result will be what? False. Okay, so it's all about, and last one is not equal to. So these are the relational operators which compares the value of two operands and returns either true or false. Okay, now the next operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. Assign a value to a variable. For example, say equal to 2, b equal to a into 2. So this operator, this symbol is called assignment operator. This symbol is called what? Assignment operator. It is used to assign, or it is used to store a value to a variable. Okay, I think it's clear. Now, here, shorthand assignment operators are also there. What are shorthand assignment operator? Let me tell you. I think, have you seen such statement ever before this? If you have, consider C. Sometimes we write such expression. And what is the special with this expression? With this expression, the special thing is what? Variable before the assignment operator and the variable after the assignment operator are same. Okay, the variable before the assignment operator and the variable after the assignment operators are same. So there is shortcut method to write such expression. Here it can be written as sum, now C plus and equal to, so plus equal to D. And this operator is called shorthand assignment operator, or sometimes it is called shorthand assignment operator. Okay, plus equal to is what? It's a shorthand assignment operator. Okay, and it is equivalent to what? Sum equal to sum plus D. Okay, I hope the things are clear. If any doubt, you can ask to the comment section. So here we go. A plus 10 is equivalent to a equal to a plus 10. A minus equal to 10 is equivalent to a equal to a minus 10, and so on. It is for all the operators of all the operators of for all arithmetic operators. It is there for floor division and also. I think the things are clear. So please remember this shorthand assignment operators also. If you are getting such expression, you must know what is the shortcut of this. If you are getting such expression, you must know it is equivalent to this. Okay, so please remember this operator. It is called shorthand assignment operator, or sometimes it is called shorthand operator only. Okay, shorthand operator. Sometimes only shorthand operator, sometimes shorthand assignment operator. Okay, it's all about assignment operator. Okay, don't be confused with that equal to operator. You know, difference between this operator and this operator is what? It is used to store a value to a variable. Okay, it is used to compare the value of two variables whether they are equal or not. Am I clear? It is what? Assignment operator. It is what? Relational operator. So don't be confused. Both are different. Now, next operator is logical operators. Logical operators perform logical operation based on given condition. What are logical operations? And operation, or operation, and not operations are called logical operations. So logical operators are there for that. So logical operators in Python are and, we write and, small a and d, to perform logical and operation. Or is here to perform logical or operation, and not is here to perform logical not operation. Let me explain this. See, consider the value of a. Consider one condition we have: a is greater than b. The result of this may be either true or false. Okay. Now, in the condition, consider a is greater than c. Two conditions we have. Okay. Two different conditions we have. Now, if we are joining them, if we are joining them by and operator and making one condition, single condition, so the final result will be will depend upon the result of these two conditions. How it is? If you are joining two conditions using AND operator, if any one of the conditions is false, the result will be false. इन दोनों में से कोई एक भी कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई तो पूरी कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी. सॉरी, इन दोनों, सॉरी बाय मिस्टेक, इन दोनों में से एक भी कंडीशन अगर फॉल्स हो गई तो पूरी कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगी. इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग टू conditions by AND operator, then in any one of them is false. If any one of the condition is false, the result will be false. दोनों एक भी false हो तो पूरी condition false हो जाएगी. For example, consider it is false, it is true. So the result will be what? False. Consider it is true and it is false. So the result will be what? False. If it is false, it is also false, then also false. And if it is true and this also true, then the result will be true. If any one of the condition is false, whole condition will be false if you are joining two conditions by AND operator. Like that, we have another operator OR. Consider same thing. If we are joining two condition by OR operator and making one condition, then if any one of the condition is true, whole condition will be true. एक भी कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई तो पूरी कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंसिडर इट इज ट्रू, इट इज फॉल्स, द रिजल्ट, फाइनल रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. ओके, कंसिडर इट इज फॉल्स एंड इट इज ट्रू, देन ऑल्सो द रिजल्ट विल बी ट्रू. एंड कंसिडर इफ इट इज ट्रू एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू, देन रिजल्ट ट्रू. एंड इफ इट इज फॉल्स एंड कंसिडर इट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स, then the result will be what? False. It is about OR operator. Then third is what? NOT operator. Not operator. Okay, not operators, see, consider this condition we have, and the result of this may be either true or false. The result of this operator may be either true or false, and if you're using not operator here, not A is greater than B. So if the result of this condition is true, it will make it false, and if the result of this condition is false, not will make it true. Consider A is greater than B, A is greater than B, the result is true. So not will make it false. Not true means false. And if it is false, consider the result of this A is greater than B is false. Not will make it true. Not false means true. Okay. So these are the logical operators. It is all about logical operators. And for this video, this much only. And in next video, I will come with the next remaining operators. So watch this video carefully. And if any doubt, if you have, please ask through the comment section. Okay. And students, if you have any suggestion for these videos which I have started making for the Python, if you have any confusion, or sorry, if you have any suggestion for betterment, please let me know. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Bye to all.